Alright, so here's my review of this DJI Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. It's compatible with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI Mini 3, and DJI Mini 4 Pro. It has a total rating of 47 minutes. However, that's tested in ideal conditions with no wind and no external factors. Usually I get around 35 to 40 minutes of flight time. However, that depends a lot on wind speed and wind direction, and also what modes I'm using with the drone. Although the battery is the same size with the regular one and the Plus, this one will exceed the 249 gram rating. So if you have this battery in your drone, it will be heavier than 249 grams. So be sure to check your local regulations to make sure you're legally allowed to fly. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.